March is the month when I've typically suffered from the worst seasonal depression. It always seems that I'm so sick of the dark and cold by March that I lose sight of spring being just around the corner. This year, I'm really trying to focus on my favorite things to stave off the dark mood that usually envelops me this month. There's so many little reminders that spring is just around the corner. There are daffodils blooming and plum blossoms bursting, and a few cold sunny days mixed in with the usual dark and rain. I'm trying to lean into my hobbies to get me through the month. I picked up this cookbook at the library recently and wanted to bake something today, so I started making these jam-filled scones. I'll link the recipe in the description box below. I think the beauty of most hobbies, baking included, are that they require that I be completely in the moment. They demand my full attention and don't leave long for my mind to wander. I have to concentrate on making correct measurements, temperatures, and other specifics, and I can linger on the textures of ingredients, the feel of the dough, the smell of strawberry jam. While the scones bake, I quickly cleaned up my mess. One trick I have is that every time I use my mixer or any cooking appliance, I try to wipe it down after I use it to make sure it's clean when I put it away. Strangely, I picked up this by watching my dental hygienist put away the X-ray machine. It doesn't take long, and it's nice when you use it the next time that it's clean and not dusted with a layer of flour. Next, I'm sweeping away some of the dust that's accumulated on the front porch. It's still too cold, wet, and windy, really still wintry at times to spend any time out here, but dusting it off starts to prepare it for the spring. I'll likely pick up some spring flowers to put in pots soon. I'll try to include that on a future video. It's still getting below freezing at night here, so I'm not quite ready to plant anything yet, but I hope it's soon. I could no longer close this little drawer on my desk, so I spent some time decluttering it. I use this desk for my computer, but it's also where I write postcards and letters. One of my favorite hobbies is exchanging postcards on Postcrossing. This is an online community where you can exchange postcards all over the world. I'll put a link below. It's free and a really fun way to get a little something in your mailbox and to send out a little happiness as well. Unfortunately, I have a habit of stuffing the postcards that I've received into this drawer, so I need to come up with a solution to display more of them. Let me know if you have any good ideas. Finally, I wanted to share a little habit I've been trying to cultivate for the past few months. Every day, I've been painting in a sketchbook. I don't spend too long on them, never more than an hour. I think it's an important reminder to take time to do the things that make your heart happy, especially when the outside world seems dark, depressing, and sad. It's an important time to focus on a few small good things. They may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of the world, but sometimes the little things are what matter most. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that's making you happy this March. See you soon. Bye.